Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to easily add online booking services to your Facebook page. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, tap the menu icon, which is usually 3 horizontal lines. Then, scroll down and tap on Pages. Next, switch to your desired page by tapping the down arrow next to your profile photo at the top. Select the page you want to switch to. Now, tap on your page's profile picture. After that, tap the Edit icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down until you see the Details section. Tap on Edit next to it. Then, tap on Add Services. This will allow you to add the online booking service to your page. Select Online Booking, and then tap Save at the bottom of the screen. And there you have it. You've successfully added online booking services to your Facebook page. Now your clients and customers can easily schedule appointments and services directly through your page. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to optimize your social media presence.